So what you're seeing on screen is Quake 3, right? Quake 3, this is running locally. It's taking advantage of the graphics in the system. It's actually running off of this system right here. This system right here is mounted, but it's effectively a small pocketable device. Slightly large pocket required for this, pocketable nevertheless, right? It was not possible to be able to do this kind of a game on this kind of a device locally until you had this kind of capability, right? And that's what the Atom and these low-power mobile devices unleash. Gaming today, just to put this in perspective, massively multiplayer online gaming is the fastest growing game segment on PCs. And it's basically the fastest growing game segment, period. Most of that happens 100% on a PC. You can't do that on an untethered experience. The kinds of technologies we're building starts to unleash those kind of capabilities into an untethered environment, and you can start to put it in your pocket, and gamers can then start to get pocket envy, right? So that's sort of a new disruptive capability that we're bringing into the marketplace with our capability. A lot of that, beyond performance and the capability, does benefit or take advantage also of software compatibility. Software compatibility is something we take very, very seriously across our Atom family, across our low-power product line, not only on the mobile product line, but also on the Windows product line. And we ensure that these can run the robust library of applications that have already been written in the marketplace across the entirety of these product lines. So the best way to actually talk about this and to demonstrate the power of compatibility is for me to do it through a demonstration. So I'm going to invite up Cam here. Cam, you ready?
I am.
Okay, what are you going to show us here?
Great. Thanks for having me on. So basically what I want to show you, we've been talking about taking mobile internet with you on the go.
Absolutely.
But what if I wanted to take my mobile internet to my house and be able to direct playback all my HD content either on this device or send it to any other UPnP device that's connected to my home network?
Okay.
Sounds pretty cool.
Can you do that?
Right, so this application is by a company called Icon out of Santa Clara. Basically, what I'm doing is, as a search function, I can search any multimedia in my house on any device. We'll go ahead and we'll search. I'm going to look up a kid's movie called Barnyard. Type in VAR. It'll go through. It'll pop up. You can actually take this 1080p clip, preview it, see if you want to watch it.
So you're doing all of this locally?
Absolutely. Right? Everything's local on this device right now.
Okay.
Right, so basically, you just change scenario. I come home from a long, hard day at work. I'm cooking dinner for the family. I wanted to take some music.
I didn't know you could cook, but okay.
Yeah, a lot of things. So what I want to do is I want to take some music, and we'll go ahead and I'm going to put it on my high-def audio on my home network.
Cool.
So this is playing from this device. And a little Bob Marley. So take that, play it through your home device, high-def audio. Okay. Right. So then kids come in and they say, hey, we want to see that movie that we previewed. So what I'm going to do is take that movie, and you look over here, I'm going to send them to my entertainment TV in my house.
So you just dragged and dropped it onto the entertainment.
Just drag and drop. Okay. So it'll pop up right there.
So we're going to pretend that the kids...
That's in my house, that'll be my entertainment TV.
Okay.
So then what I want to do, my wife comes in and she says, no. I want to watch the movie that we decided we were going to watch. So send the kids to the bedroom. Okay. Put the kids, movie in the bedroom. Okay. So what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to take that clip, drag it to the bedroom, which is on my left. It'll automatically move and start exactly where you left off. Okay. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Very, very cool. So then I want to start the movie with my wife. We'll go ahead and we'll drag it in. Start up on the entertainment TV. Okay. So what you're seeing here is another 1080p HD content movie playing on this device. So it's playing multiple HD videos from this device as well as high-def audio. Very powerful. That sounds like your pick, not your wife's. I rarely get that. Only here. Really powerful, great performing application. So basically, you're taking that MID, you walked into your house, right? It's detecting all of the devices in the home through UPnP, right? And all the content in there, archives it in that using the Icon software. Absolutely. And you're using that you're effectively using the MID to do local processing and do drag and drop. Exactly. It'll go discover any UPnP device that's on that network and be able to stream anywhere.
So you're showing compatibility there as well as you're taking advantage of local horsepower to be able to play those HD movies.
And this actually works on Vista, XP, and Nova.
Fantastic. Very, very powerful. Very cool. Thank you. Do you have anything else?
One more thing I want to show you real quick.
Okay.
This is the first ever for Intel in a keynote, so you're lucky. We have actually have
that's usually trouble when he says that.
It's by a company called Livecast.
Okay.
And what they're actually launching here tonight, their Lightning VJ application. So basically we have four Compal Jax 10s out here streaming live video right now of the keynote.
So that's what this is?
So if you look up on the right, you have 4 live video feeds right now.
Yep.
And then you can actually switch, toggle through each one of those. It'll pop up, as well as anybody that's on your network that's watching this, they can send you a live chat and say, hey, can you pan the camera right, pan the camera left, and it'll so you can actually do that.
Wow. So very cool. So if I don't like this, I can kick this right to Samsung then. Right?
Please do. Please do. So basically what it's doing is streaming this to a netbook in the back, and what it's doing is the netbook with the Atom processor is so powerful, it's able to encode that on the fly and send it to the internet directly.
Okay, that's
12 to 16 second latency, for the internet. And so basically what you're seeing here is the actual live feed right now going on. It also incorporates a GPS function.
So if anybody here had a laptop open, not that they would, they'd be paying attention to this talk, but actually if they did have it open, they could go to the internet and get
Absolutely.
access.
So anybody, you could actually upload this to YouTube, MySpace, whatever you want it to do. It has a GPS function so they know that you're speaking.
That is very, very powerful. Very cool. Thank you, Cam.
Great.
Once again, the power of compatibility. Right? So what you've just seen is the power of compatibility. Power of compatibility and the power of performance being paired together to be able to deliver the kinds of capabilities that are ushering in the types of apps that allow you to live in an untethered, anytime, anywhere connected environment. So today, you just saw 2 of the announcements. Icon is announcing this product. That was the first demonstration that you saw, which had discoverable content that being transported across multiple rooms. And the second one was Livecast. In addition to that, you have several other announcements. CyberLink, Mojo Mobility, Move Networks, and Discretix. So the ecosystem continues to move and develop unique applications and capabilities on top of this environment. This is very, very important to grow the capability.